Many reports have suggested that the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G could launch in the coming weeks. A recent one among these also revealed the design renders of these premium mid-range devices. Now, the Galaxy A54 5G has made an appearance on the FCC database. The listing has the device marked with the model number SM546E. We get some key information from this certification listing, starting with the fast charging capability, which will be 25W. The battery has the model number A5446BY, and its rated capacity is 4,905 mAh. We will likely see it marketed as 5,000 mAh capacity. The charging adapter has an EPA800 model number and 25W peak output. It supports 15W, 5V/3A, and 25W, 9V/2.77A, outputs through USB PD protocol. The charger also supports PPS charging protocol with up to 25W output. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G will support Bluetooth, Bluetooth LE, and NFC in terms of connectivity. This suggests that Wi-Fi 6 connectivity will be supported by the phone. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G was previously discovered on the Geekbench benchmark database, where it was discovered to be equipped with 6GB RAM and Exynos 1380 chipset. The camera configuration of the device has also leaked, revealing that the Galaxy A54 5G will have a triple camera unit headlined by a 50MP primary camera,